SSL activation, domain verification and propagation, 404 or redirect errors. Fix your Shopify store domain now. Fix custom domain not connecting, loading, redirecting in Shopify. 1. Verify domain in Shopify admin. Go to Settings Domains. Ensure your custom domain shows as connected. If it says Setup in Progress or Unverified, click Verify Connection. 2. Fix DNS records. Go to your domain registrar, e.g. GoDaddy, Namecheap, and update record type host points to a record at 23.227.38.65 Shopify IP, CNAME www.shops.myshopify.com. 3. Wait for DNS propagation. DNS changes may take up to 48 hours globally. Use dnschecker.org to track progress. 4. Fix SSL pending or HTTPS not working. In Shopify admin domains, check for SSL status. If stuck at SSL pending, wait up to 48 hours. You can remove and re-add the domain to trigger a refresh. 5. Fix redirect issues. Ensure redirect all traffic to this domain is enabled in Shopify. Avoid conflicting settings at your domain provider. No external redirects. 6. Clear DNS cache. Windows, OpenMAD, ipconfig/flush DNS, macOS, Open Terminal, sudo killall hup mdns responder. Then clear browser cache and retry. 7. Contact Shopify or domain provider support. Shopify support, help.shopify.com. Your registrar can help if DNS is not propagating correctly.